the number of molecules of carbon dioxide produced when 10 grams of CaCO3, which is calcium trisulcarbonate 4, is treated with 0.2 dm cube of 1 molar conc of HCl in the equation given below is dash. So you are supposed to solve for the number of molecule. Now here's the first step. The first step, you write out your data. So you say data, the volume, you get volume of 0.2 dm cube. Next, you get mass. Your mass is 10.0 grams of calcium trisulcarbonate 4, and also you have molar conc, which is represented as with C, symbol C, 1 molar conc of HCl. Now, once this is established, there are just 4 steps where you go use: the first step, second step, third step, and the last step. The first step is you solve for the mole of calcium trisulcarbonate 4. So, first step, mole of CaCO3, and to solve for this mole, you go say mole equals mass over molar mass. Okay, so mass given is 10 over molar mass is 100, sorry. So if you divide, so I'm going to punch my calculator here, 10 divided by 100, I got 0.1. 0.1 mole. So the first step is you solve for the mole of calcium trisulcarbonate 4, which is 0.1 mole. The second step, you solve for the mole of HCl. And in solving for the mole of HCl, this time you will use mole equals the conc times the volume. And the conc was the conc was given to be 1 times the volume was given to be 0.2. So if you punch this, 1 times 0.2, you arrive at 0.2 mole. After this, next with the third step. The third step now to just balance the chemical equation, and that is the third step. B, calcium CaCO3 plus, I'll give the balanced chemical equation here, 2HCl, you get calcium chloride CaCl2 plus water H2O plus CO2. So this is the balanced equation. Next, you bring out your molar ratios. The molar ratio here is 1 since there is no number in front of it. Here the molar ratio is 2. Here molar ratio is 1, 1, 1. You get? Next, you compare the moles that will solve. This mole will compare it to the molar ratios here. Okay, so here's how we go about that. So for calcium trisulcarbonate 4, we'll get 0.1, right? Then for HCl, we got 0.2. For now, if you compare them, the other places you get 1:1:1:1:1, and our main target is carbon dioxide. I'll go back to the equation so you see 0.1. Now, if we go back to the equation, our question say the number of molecules of carbon dioxide. So you are supposed to solve for the number of molecules of carbon dioxide. So now we've gotten the mole of carbon dioxide to be 0.1. Next, you solve for number of molecule, which is your fourth and last step. the number of molecules of CO2 would be mole. The formula for this is mole times Avogadro's constant. So Avogadro's constant. And so our mole was given to be 0.1, right? Times Avogadro's constant is 6.0602 times 10 raised to the power of 23. If you multiply this, you get 6.02 times 10 to the power of 22. And this will be your final answer. Now let's go to our options and check. If you check your options, you discover that option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Now, if you've gotten to this part of the video, please, if this is your first time for watching this our videos, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, and also you can share this video with your friends. And lastly, I will leave us with a task, one task for you to solve, snap and send to us on the WhatsApp group for assessment. So here are the two tasks for you to solve. So you go solve this one. Once you are done solving it, snap it and send it to us on the WhatsApp group. Would mark it and make corrections for you. Any part where you don't understand, you could also screenshot that part and send it to us for correction. I'll see you in next videos. Thanks for watching.